Hi, welcome to a Topix Cloud demo from the Lock50 team. Today we are showing how to replace RFA when doing spare or lost keys on vehicles not supported in the Pathfinder software. The part number of the RFA is K8D219H440BC that is being programmed. The HW90 OEM Bosch DOIP interface and the HW132 Topix dealer account are being used to program the vehicle and can be ordered to the Lock50 web store. If you are stuck on programming any JLR vehicles, contact us for a remote programming session with our team. We also supply laptop and software tools and ship globally. CCF editing and coding services, as well as supplying PEPS keys and new RFA modules, are other products and services we supply. For USA or Canada, the Lock50 tool can help you to add keys the MCU dump to avoid using any other tools to program the keys via OBD, as well being able to turn off alarm on all 2010 to 2023 JLR vehicles. Now it's possible to do bench programming for USA Canada RFA for 2017 plus vehicles. We offer few options on these RFA and types of keys that can be generated with Lock50. We also offer chip tuning and CCF editing and customization services. Remote software setups and multi-boot Windows systems with multiple dealer tools. We also offer handheld key programmers and multiple types of JLR keys. Thanks for watching. Visit lock50.co.uk.